Section F, problem 1. In this section, we will deal with revolve boss and revolve cut. The first problem is the chess pawn. Let's begin. To revolve anything, we just need an axis and a sketch to revolve about that axis. So let's first create that axis. Now make contour on the one side of the axis and then we can revolve it 360 degrees. So let's start. You can add the dimensions now. This is given 9. This is 1.5. This point from the axis is 6.5. And remove the tangent constraint. Now we can give the radius. This is 6. We can give it later. Let's try again. Yes, now it's done. Then this distance is given. The total distance up to the edge is 9, so we can minus 6 from that, so this would be 3. Then this is 15. It's not valid. We just need to extend this. Let's give this dimensions first. This is 1.5. This is 7.5. Now let's try this again. This is done. And this point is on this axis. This distance is given 6.5. The total height is given 38. This height from this height here is 12.5, but it is already somehow constrained. What we can do is we can just delete it. And try to rebuild. Take a line and join these two. Make this horizontal. Now at this distance 12.5. Then this distance is given 4. Now drag to see what is left. Okay, so there is a tangent between these two. So let's go a little back, add the tangent made. Now everything is constrained. We can close the sketch by adding a line here. Now let's go to features, revolve. It automatically took the axis that we made first and the sketch that we need to revolve. And we need to revolve 360 degree here. We can go blind and okay. So the part is complete. Let's add the material. This is plastics ABS. Apply. Let's check the mass. 6.12 grams. Let's check with the answer. 6.12 gram. So this is correct. Next part in the next video. Thank you.